Hello, today in front of me I have INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and in this video we would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, you want to swipe downwards from the left part of the status bar in order for the notification and control center to be launched. Next, locate the Wi-Fi shortcut and long press on it. Here, choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. I'll go with the one that my smartphone is currently connected to. And once at the network details page, simply tap on the share icon. And as you can see, this QR code will be generated, which you can simply scan with any another device that you were to share the Wi-Fi network with, and it will be successfully, and what is even more important, automatically connected to it. To the Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.